Hi, everyone, and thank you so much for joining us today. We're excited to share how our work at Supertech FT is future-proofing industries through AI and robotics education. I'm Nicole, and together with my colleagues, we have built a solution grounded in research, real-world implementation, and global impacts. At the core of our mission is this. We prepare learners to thrive in the AI robotics future through an interdisciplinary, ethics-driven, and career-aligned education program. We believe that education must evolve not only to teach coding or robotics, but to help students to understand, to question, and shape the technologies that will define their world. Challenges we face are urgent and structural. AI and robotics are transforming every industry, from logistics to manufacturing to healthcare and education. But education hasn't caught up. Current programs are often fragmented, overly technical, and detached from ethical or practical concerns. There is also no unified curriculum that connects hands-on robotics with ethical reasoning and career preparation, and this is a gap we aim to fill. Our answer is the IRI Columbia AI Robotics Curriculum, a modular, epistemology-driven framework. It combines AI, ethics, neuroscience, engineering, law, and robotics, designed through 5 years of implementation of classroom teaching, assessment, and improvement in San Francisco. Our approach is grounded in epistemic pluralism, recognizing that learners have different ways of knowing, and our curriculum meets them where they are. This moment is critical for 4 reasons. So first, physical AI, the multimodal embodied AI like Gemini robotics is becoming real and mainstream. And this shift brings with it a 50 trillion economic opportunity across multiple sectors. As Mark Anderson, a leading venture capitalist, recently stated that robotics will be the biggest business in the history of the planet. That level of conviction from top investors shows how massive and how inevitable this transformation really is. Also, education must keep pace, but traditional pedagogy is lagging behind. And post-COVID, learners need flexible, hybrid, and hands-on models that reflect how the world actually works. The market is massive and growing fast. The AI education market is projected to exceed 20 billion by 2030. And robotics education is growing at 16% compound annual growth rate. And critically, the industry needs workers across a range of roles. For example, engineers, policy advisors, customer support, AI ethicists, and more. We're not just building a curriculum, but we are building an entry point into the AI economy. Our curriculum is designed to meet diverse learner needs and societal goals. So first, AI robotics education for workforce development. So we provide youth with hands-on learning opportunities in AI and robotics, equipping them not just with technical skills, but with the confidence and capabilities to pursue future careers in tech. Second, city library access to AI robotics. We partner with city libraries to make robotics and AI education publicly accessible, fostering tech literacy across the entire community. Third, innovation. We design tailored programs that upskill employees in AI, ethics, regulation, and the societal impact of emerging technologies. And last but not least, empowering marginalized populations. So our outreach programs bring robotics education to underserved groups, helping close the digital divide and create new pathways for opportunity. We sustain our work through 3 revenue streams. First, customized programs for institutions generating recurring partnerships. Second, we have the 501c3 donations that allow us to scale outreach to underserved learners. And third, we also have the hybrid distance learning programs that our online lecture and lab model supports scalable revenue and global access. Backed by global collaborations and a self-sustaining model, we're not just delivering education, we're shaping the next generation of ethical tech leaders. We envision a world where every learner, regardless of background, can confidently engage with, question, and build the future of AI. Thank you so much for supporting innovation in AI and robotics education. Together, we're building a future where technology empowers everyone, no matter their background. If you would like to connect, please visit supertechft.org or reach out to our team directly.